At P&M Air Conditioning and Heating, we understand all the hiccups involved in finding reliable HVAC contractors that guarantee 100% quality services and satisfaction. Although several contractors hold a license to provide heating and air conditioning services, only a handful have your interest at heart. We pride ourselves in offering reliable solutions to maintain a safe, well-ventilated space, whether at home or in your office. How to tell the difference? There are several critical aspects to look at before hiring any HVAC company or contractor. Experience, the scope of service, professionalism, market reputation, and quality guarantees are among the top aspects to review. Whether you seek routine maintenance or need an AC contractor for urgent repair services, it is essential to find trusted solutions that perform well across these criteria. P&M is dedicated to providing premium quality HVAC services that cut through the entire range, including repair, installation, maintenance, and air quality. Our technicians boast experience in both modern and older systems in the industry, so you can expect the best solutions for all of your heating and air conditioning needs. We are also a legitimate insured company you can trust whenever you seek heating and air conditioning service. Professional HVAC contractors in the Greater Houston. If you're looking for a dependable partner that can help you implement sustainable, cost-effective HVAC systems in the Greater Houston region, P&M is a worthy candidate. We have experience providing heating and AC services and pride in meeting customer needs from consultancy to repairs, installation, maintenance, air quality, and more. Contact us today for all inquiries concerning HVAC services or schedule a visit with one of our technicians.